Welcome back to the channel, guys. Man, how are you guys doing out there? It's a pretty hard time right now with this virus stuff going on. It's hard to do anything. I'm sorry I missed that usual Tuesday upload I try to upload, but with all this stuff going on right now, it's pretty hard to keep up with the content and stuff like that. There's nowhere to go. Everything's closed down. As far as me, I'm a detailer, so I'm trying to keep, you know, these people's cars clean with all this virus stuff going on. I personally don't think it's that serious as the media is making it out to be. It's probably no more than a cold or something like that, but man, the media is making it seem like it's just killing everybody that it goes into. But I feel like it's pretty much probably the elderly people or with a weaker immune system or people that are probably already sick, things like that. It may be a bad virus, but you know, to me, I just don't think it's that bad. I came out here, I was gonna wash it because the weather looks great, and then when I turned around, it's pitch black over there, like it's about to storm and rain. So I think I'm just gonna wipe the thing down, put some of this Meguiar's wheel and tire cleaner on it. The best wheel and tire cleaner so far that I've used. I'm not gonna say out there, but that I've used. This thing just eats up the dust and everything on it. So probably gonna get this thing wiped down and cruise it around for a little bit just to get it out. It's pretty crazy how you can see the water beat up from the products that I use on the V. I always try to keep like some ceramic on it. If you see the water just beats up and runs right off of it. If you have a black V, man, you need to keep up with some of those products that I showed you guys. Probably work best. Just keeps that water beaded up so it doesn't sit and stain up your cars, man. And then with black, you know, you get a lot of scratches and swirl marks and stuff like that. As far as everything, I mean, the water just beads up and just runs right off. So got a guy here rolling. Oh, it's a girl, sorry. She out here rolling. Then as far as drying the car off, if you haven't got one of these squeegee things, these things are a lifesaver, man. Not all the time will they keep from swirls and scratch marks, but they can if you keep the tips clean. They just pretty much, especially if the water beads up like this, just pretty much wipe it right off. And then afterwards, I just put a spray and wax. So I'm not gonna wash the whole car since I think it's gonna rain tomorrow again anyways. But I really just want to take the car out today. So as you guys see, that this thing like crazy, like this hood is just full of beads. Just wipe them right off. And then after it, I usually run over it with a chamois and then hit it with some wax. All right, so I've done getting most of the water off. If you guys have a black V, this turtle wax right here, this jet black spray, is one of the best for the black, man. I just sprayed this fender panel right here, and as you guys can see, it's pretty crazy. So I spray a couple mist sprays over it and then hit it with I got a brand new microfiber towel. Try not to use any used ones on these black, man. As soon as you wipe it, you see something that you didn't see before. So I always try to just spray 1 or 2 sprays, flip your towel, and there you go, man. That stuff works great. So for the black V owners, or I think any dark color really helps. But I mean, it fills in like scratches, little crevices and stuff that might show on the black, fills it in. So that's a good one to use. Just a tip. Let me go ahead and get this thing cleaned up with this spray, and I'll show you guys the after. And there you go, guys. A quick what? It took me like 5 or 10 minutes to do this, but V is extremely clean now. I'm low-key kind of pissed off though, because I just did this, and then looks like it's gonna freaking rain, man. And it said it wasn't supposed to rain. I was gonna take the car out to be pretty sane today. Loud. Look like a damn 89 year model bike or something, man. That thing look old as hell. Still rolling it though. But yeah, man, took about 5 minutes, a couple products, some water, chamois, a squeegee, but the wax. I didn't put the ceramic coating on it now because it's already pretty clean. The water was beating off pretty good, so I'm not gonna throw that on here on this one. But yeah, this is the only thing that really keeps me sane with this coronavirus crap going on. finally got a chance to bring the V out today, kind of quick wash it. But we are on quarantine, on lockdown, and the location that I'm at, we got to be back by like 12 o'clock or something. And I've been detailing all week, man. You guys know I got a detailing business, so I've been detailing every week. I've still been out doing my thing. Like I said in like a little previous clip, I just don't feel like the virus is that serious to, you know, lock everything down. I feel like it's like a common cold, probably a little bit worse than a common cold. But I feel like, you know, if you got a good immune system and stuff like that, you should be good. But man, it feels good to get the V out finally and try to get you guys some content. It's really not much to do because you can't go anywhere, you can't do anything. Crazy. Just at the start of this video, it was sunny as hell, shiny outside, and just like that, it's about the tornado and it's about to lift my V up and take it with it somewhere. Quick cleaning tip video. Showed you guys the new pickup that I picked up back here. If you guys are interested in that, make sure you do leave your comment below of what guns you like to carry and stuff like that around. But yeah, man, I appreciate y'all tuning in. Hit that like, subscribe button, I appreciate the support. Sorry about the video once again, that it's not probably the most active video, which I was gonna try to get some active, but as I speak it is getting worse and worse and the clouds are moving this way. So let me go ahead and crank this thing up and move it back up.